Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a repair report for Paul, Louisiana on the Superstar 3900G. Paul, this thing was extremely off frequency, had some major issues there. We reworked all that, took care of it. Way out of tune on the transmit side as well. I was only seeing about 21 watts peak power on the bird and about 6 average. We took care of all that. I'm going to show you what we got. 5-watt slug here. 2 watts dead key. 100-watt slug. I'll show you average power here. Hello, 1. Now we got 18 watts of average power versus 6. Peak power, we had 25 before. Hello. How about 43 now? Oh man. It's going to talk for you now, Paul. Hey, I thank you for sending it up to me. We're ready to send it back to you on Monday. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump bump.